Hello guys, I'm MMK Kali back again with another video and welcome to the Nmap for beginners. So this is going to be a continuation in the ethical hacking course. I hope you all have installed Nmap in your Windows machine. If you have not installed Nmap yet, so click on the I button above and install the Nmap first. And now this is my Kali Linux machine, and here first I log in, and here the Nmap is already installed in the Kali Linux machine. Now open your terminal, and the Nmap is a network mapper. Nmap is a very powerful tool for using for scanning a network, and this is a free and open source and used for network discovery and security auditing. And many system and network administrators additionally think that its value for errands, for example, monitoring host or service uptime, network inventory, and managing services, upgrade schedules. These now start the Nmap. How to use Nmap in a command line interface. Nmap is a graphical user interface, and now you can see how to use Nmap in a previous video, how to install and what is the Nmap. Okay, now here the command line interface, you can open your terminal and simply type nmap and dash h hyphen h and hit enter. And now here you can see the result, the output of the nmap dash hyphen h is stand for help. How to use nmap in a command line interface. These are the target specification how to use nmap. So you can pass the host name and ip addresses and network and etc. And now these are the example you can use via scanme.nmap.org and microsoft.com, and these are the how to use nmap in a command line interface. These are the host discovery. You can use hyphen dash l for list scan and hyphen sn for ping scan, and there is a disable port scan. And these are the scan techniques. Hyphen ss is for tcp syn packet to send the target, and hyphen dash u for udp scan. These are the scan technique to gather the more information about the target. And you can also get the operating system and the version also by the help of the nmap. And now my target ip address is metasploitable tool. And now here you can see that this is my ip address of metasploitable 2 is 192.168.81.129. And now open the Kali, and now clear the terminal. And now simple type nmap, and the target ip address is 192.168.81.129, and now simple hit enter. And now see the result in 0.35 second. And here uh, you see that these are the ports are open. These are the ports are open in this target 192.168.81.129. This is the target IP address of metasploitable tool, and these are the ports are open. The 21 for port FTP. These ports are reserved by the ICMP, and 25 for SMTP, 80 for HTTP, and 445 for Microsoft DS. And now, and you can, and if you want to scan the host name, so either replace this IP address to the host name, the nmap scanme nmap.org and now hit enter. And here you can see the result, the nmap scan me.nmap.org. Here the now scan is done. Here you can see that the two ports is open on the scanme.nmap.org, and this the four ports are open in the scanme.nmap.org.